Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle. We're kind of going through a bunch of luggage racks and sissy bars and stuff. So anyway, we're offering this KG rack for sale. We just wanted to confirm what it fits. It was tagged KZ1000. I don't know that to be fact. However, we did put it on a Z1. Now, for this to fit the Z1 properly, you have to take the turn signals, which are normally mounted right there. You have to take them and mount them here on the bar. Now, there are other options. Now, this right here, we have the diamond right here, so we don't have a way of snugging it up. Okay, so there are other stems available, or there are options that you can make it so this is very rigid. So, we've got it going here. It looks good. We've got the seat on. However, the seat does interfere a little bit right here with the bracket. And put this on a Z1, that you kind of watch it. So we're going to shut it like this. So we do have a little bit of interference over on that side. And as you can see, we put this signal here, relocated it. Normally it goes right here. This is all just temporary, just so you can see what it looks like on a bike. But very nice shape, but this may need a little bit of modifying, and this could be done, but we just wanted to show what it looks like so there was no surprises. Okay, well, thanks a lot for looking at our stuff.